Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Floki Shiba Inu on your Trust Wallet application step by step. First thing we're going to do is open up our Google Chrome, head over to coinmarket.com. The link is in the description of the video. And now we can take a look at the Shiba Floki Inu. It's a token and it's ranked 5,710 on the official CoinMarketCap listing on over 25,000 watch lists. So we simply copy its smart chain address, head over to Trust Wallet, and we can simply add it to our wallet by pasting the address, activating the coin, and once that's done, head over to the browser. We open up PancakeSwap.finance, switch our network to BNB Smart Chain. Now we're going to allow our wallet to get connected. And what we're going to do is we're going to exchange our HODL for the Shiba Floki Inu. You click on import, click on I acknowledge the risk. And now what we're going to do is instead of HODL, we'll use our BNB. Okay guys, once you've selected BNB and you've pasted the Floki Shiba Inu address, we're going to be using 25% of our wallet. Okay, that's 0.32. Click on swap. The slippage tolerance is at 12% since Floki is high risk. Contract call pops in for $1.70. Approve. Now we wait for our BNB to be swapped. Once it's done, you click on add Floki to wallet, click on OK, close, and you close your PancakeSwap.finance and head over to Trust Wallet. And then once at the wallet menu, you reload. And now, boom, your coin has been made available to you, Floki. That's the Shiba Floki. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any question concerning how to buy the Shiba Floki, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.